Alright, today doing a PCV, a valve replacement here on the Tundra. This is an 07 to 5.7. Here's a new one right here. You don't have to go through this full step. You notice I got the intake out. It's because I'm working on something different for the knock sensor in there, but it makes it easier to get to this hose right here. So if you have the intake in there, then you're gonna disconnect the hose from right here. And that's this one right here. So you're gonna have all this insulation stuff around it. It's probably best if you kind of get that out of the way. This is some old insulation. It crumbles pretty easily. Just by hand, you can pinch this, you know, pull it back, disconnect the hose from here, and then at that point you can reach down in here, same kind of thing, disconnect it and pull the hose off. There we go. I don't know if you can see it here in the camera. There's a crack at the top of this one, on both sides actually. That's why I went ahead and ordered a new hose. So there it is, emission hose. There's the part number and everything for it. All right, if you're getting the old one out, you're gonna need a 21mm socket or wrench. There's not much tension on it at all. All right, old one and new one right here. And I'm really just doing this because, like I said, I'm in here, may as well. Kind of preventative. Some vehicles call for doing this every 10 years or 100,000 miles or so, but just preventative. And when it goes back in, the torque spec is like 5 Newton meters or 3.5 foot-pounds, something really small, but do not want to tighten this too tight. It's all plastic. New hose goes on. And then last step is obviously with the intake installed, make that connection right there, and then put the insulation back if you can. And that's it, you get a new PCV.